Yeah, Jonathan, wondering why you joined Revelwood in the first place.
Yeah, good question, Ken. I think there's a number of factors. I think culture is a really important thing. Over my career, I've always really enjoyed working at places that have got strong culture and really follow through on the culture. And certainly when you and I first started talking, that came out as a key part of the backbone of Revelwood. And I suppose the second part is, Revelwood's been really successful. It's got a great model, it's got great frameworks, it's got good partners, and you combine those together along with a great track record of delivering successful projects. And I suppose the fourth part, as we were going through the process, I spent quite a lot of time speaking with the senior management team, and all of those things, those factors shone through from every single individual conversation I had. So it was a relatively easy discussion. Also, I think when you and I started the conversation, we were very much on the same wavelength of the opportunity that there is across Europe. So yeah, it was a relatively easy decision for me.
Well, I could say it was a no-brainer for me as well. I could instantly tell that you were going to be a perfect fit, core value-wise, and otherwise as a executive who's been there and really understands how to enter into a market and grow it. And I'm super excited to have you on board doing that.
Yeah, exciting times ahead.